Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming your iPhone model and iOS version because adapter choice depends on that. Once done, pick the correct adapter. Lightning to USB camera adapter for older iPhones, USB-C for recent models. Make sure the mic is powered if required. Plug the mic into the adapter, then connect the adapter to the iPhone. When the iPhone prompts for permission to access the mic, tap Allow. This gets the hardware recognized and begins audio routing to your app. Now you configure audio and power. Open your recording app. If it lets you choose an input, select the external USB mic. If the mic draws significant current, use a powered USB hub or inline battery. Otherwise, the iPhone may not supply enough power. Once connected, set input gain in the app and run a test recording while monitoring with headphones. Make small adjustments to gain to avoid clipping if levels are too low. Increase gain stepwise, and test again until the waveform looks healthy. Finish by securing all connections and positioning the mic for optimal pickup. Use a windscreen or shock mount to reduce noise. If you get no audio, make sure the adapter is Apple certified or compatible. Check the cable and confirm the mic's power source. Once done, restart the iPhone, reopen the app, and test again. If problems persist, test the mic on another device to isolate whether the mic or adapter is at fault. This single check often pins down the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.